Hi, today we will introduce you our product GeoAnts Wireless Data Logger. To open up the device, you can simply push the on-off button, and to see the battery level, you can simply press and hold the battery button. To use the device, first you need to pair the device with your phone. To do that, you can open your Bluetooth settings, find the device, and enter pin as 1234. After you paired your device, you can simply open up our GeoAnts mobile application and press the Bluetooth button. Now you can start data logging. First two channels can be used for analog sensors like pressure sensors, LVDTs, and piezometers. Channel 3 and Channel 4 can be used for load cells and strain gauges. After I connect the LVDT in channel 1, you can see when it's fully open you read 4096 and 0 when fully closed. To see these data as millimeters, you can simply put the calibration factor, then you will see 50 millimeters when fully opened and 0 millimeters when fully closed. As you can see, I connect load cell to the channel 3 and data is increasing when I'm applying load to the load cell. To get rid of the zero reading, you can use the zero reading button, and to share the file as CSV, you can use this button and share as WhatsApp and mail and etc. To close the device, you can push 2 times to the button, and to recharge the device, you can use the power adapter through the power. Thank you for listening.